far back in 2001. And during that time, we've added really smooth. Everything goes under the hood. That's what I mean. Windows, you have a very visual way to figure out where you want to get to, right? So for example, you want to do mail, you just hover over and click on that. But we are introducing new features within Expose. We have Expose with Quick Load. So that if you hover over, you press the space bar, it will actually show you the full window size. You can use a mouse, or you can use a keyboard. Notice I can see all the sites that I have visited that had Maui in it. And again, it's a very pleasing interface. It's just kind of like flipping. So I'll play this. So as my mouse is over the video, the controls are present here. But as I move off, it feels like the movie is floating on my desktop. It's a great way to enjoy the movie the way you want to enjoy it. 8 gigabytes. 1 gigabyte is taller than about 60. More importantly, is the computing power. The operating system, simple as that. You don't need to be responsible for Snow Leopard because it's multi-threaded. And you need to do work fast, you might actually use more, which is great. Then work gets completed faster. We have a new price point at 109 ringgit. You get Leopard upgrade.
Of macOS 10 Snow Leopard, we are introducing a number of refinements to the system. For example, we have Expose in a dock that allows you to have a great experience when you're shuffling documents using Expose, just the application. We're introducing the ability to navigate through stacks, right? So you can get exactly where you want and open up the folders within the stack that you want. We're also introducing core technologies that will modernize the macOS 10 environment. Technology like 64-bit support, comprehensive wide within the system itself, use more RAM, applications run faster, GCD, which is a great way to create applications that can make use of all the CPUs, which is really hard to do for application developer. And then to leverage the power of the graphic card for normal things, we are introducing OpenCL. And finally, of course, for the commercial users, business users who need to connect up to Microsoft Exchange Server, we are building Exchange support right within the application, out of the box, for our users in a very Mac way. So on mail, on calendar, on address book, you're able to do everything an Exchange server will let you do. Features for visually challenged, and of course that's accessibility. It increases the ability for a visually impaired person to use a computer. And I think we did that in a really great way. Firstly, of course, it comes free with every copy of macOS 10 Snow Leopard. We will support up to 40 Braille devices that's out there in the market, from the latest Bluetooth to a USB device. We have, for example, VoiceOver, but we've done VoiceOver for some time since Tiger. And in this version, we are enhancing it. So not only will you get Alex with a very natural voice and intonation that is very adjustable, but you'll get additional trackpad support so that you can use your trackpad or gesture to navigate through the different elements on the screen.